Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am just giving you a walkthrough of Gallery Lafayette. I'm on the road, so I just decided that I'm gonna take you through here because I am nearby. So just giving you a little walkthrough. These are the expensive stores. I can't even see. Oh, people remember me not talk French here. Just I carry them through. Cause I don't even see nothing. You tell them the name. Oh, here's the name, guys. Of these bags. Name brand. What's the price? It's at the €300. This is for €300. 150 Can't even see the price on them, guys. I wanna show you the prices, but they don't have. But I wanna know what say I know money. Oh, this a woman sit down look like she dey a market and sell. And the ladies section is couples. Couples t-shirts and couples. I can't even see the price, guys. I can't see the prices. They don't display the prices. I don't know why. For couples, guys. Couples. It's only looking like a €245. You know, sell things expensive at France, and them not look good. And I'll brace up pack. You know how much it is? €325. Look at it. €325. This is a dress. so you know it's expensive. I'm gonna tell you the price. 325 euro. Really shopping at so we don't have it. I look somebody coming here and shop for me. I want them shop for me. I prefer they give me money. Sequin still aware? Sequin still aware, guys? Let me know in the comment section if sequin still there. You don't know because I'm honest. Let me know. Come on, talk up the things them. Talk up the things them to Vanessa Bruno. See? 130 euro. Vanessa. You see what Vanessa expensive? Vanessa Bruno. MDM 90 euro. €89. €45 for these. €45. €89. €199. This is nice. I like this. €175. And this one is for 199. Got it. Marc Jacobs. €360. Yeah. It's so much expensive. All these bags are for €360. The Tanner. All of them is for €289. All of them. Look at them. So I'm still with Nat and Nin. Yeah. I'm still with Nat and Nin. Calcor. Michael Kors, and they are all here. Let me see the prices for these. I'm not seeing these prices, but here you have some here. 425 euro. No, I think I'm wrong. Yes, I'm correct. 425 euros. 550 euros.